The question is, a small cuboid box has a rectangular base of length 3x centimeter and width x centimeter where x is greater than 0, and the height is y centimeter where y is also greater than 0. Obviously x and y must be greater than 0 to form a cuboid. Okay, so now this is 3x, this is x, and this is y. The first question is write down an expression for y in terms of x. The line before the question is the sum of the length, width and height is 12 centimeter. So it means 3x plus x plus y equals to 12 centimeter. Okay, so from here we are getting 4x plus y equals to 12. Now write down an expression for y in terms of x. So y equals to 12 minus 4x. This is the answer of the first question. For the first question A, the answer is done. Now the volume of the box is V centimeter cube. Before proceeding to this question, volume of cuboid is basically nothing but length into width into height. So this is the formula and we will apply this here. For B question, find an expression for V in terms of X. So volume, as I have already written the formula, length is 3x into width x into height is y. So it is basically 3x square into y. 3x square into y. Now for the B part, find an expression for v in terms of x. So we need to replace y in terms of x. That we have already done in the number A problem. So 3x square into 12 minus 4x. So this is the part and we just need to multiple this. So 36x square minus 12x cube. So this is the answer, that is 36x square minus 12x cube. So this is the answer for B. Find an expression for V in terms of x. So V in terms of x is 36x square minus 12x cube. Okay, now we will move towards find dv dx. So you have to you just note down this fact from next page, or like in this page also. Not from next page I am doing this. So expression for v we have found out to be 36x square minus 12x cube. This was the answer of B. Now we have been instructed to find out dv dx. So dv dx is equals to d dx of v. So we are getting d dx of the value of v is 36x square minus 12x cube. Okay, so the formula for this will be d dx of x to the power n is equals to nx to the power n minus 1. This is the formula that we need to use here. Okay, so 36x square minus 12x cube, so it is coming to be 36 into 2x to the power 1 and minus 12 into 3x to the power 2. So it is 72x minus 36x square. 72x minus 36x square. This is the value of dv dx. It is to be 72x minus 36x square. So find dv dx. It is also done.